In today's video, I'm going to teach you organize notes in OneNote for Windows 10 using its hierarchy of notebooks, sections, and pages, plus grouping and tags for scalable structure. We'll start by setting up the core hierarchy because that's what keeps everything tidy as your notes grow. Create a separate notebook for each major category of your life, such as work, personal, or school. Go to File, then New, and save your notebooks to OneDrive so they stay in sync across your devices. Keeping categories separate helps you find things faster and keeps unrelated content from mixing together. Inside each notebook, add sections to group related topics. Click the plus section button and give each section a clear name, like projects or meetings. You can right click a section to rename it, move it elsewhere, or delete it if it's no longer needed. Think of sections like dividers in a binder and keep their scope tight so each section stays focused. Within sections, create pages for your actual notes. Use the plus page button to add daily or weekly notes, meeting summaries, or task outlines. Drag pages to reorder them so the most important items stay on top. When you want a bit more structure, right-click a page and choose Make Subpage to nest it under a main page. This works well for organizing meeting notes under a specific project without cluttering the entire section. As your notes expand, lean on advanced organization. In the section pane, right-click and choose New Section Group to nest sections. For example, a group called 2025 Projects can contain Q1 and Q2 sections, keeping the year tidy while still letting you drill down quickly. Use tags to make important items pop. Highlight text, go to Home, then Tags, and apply options like To Do, Important, or Question. When you need a summary, select Home, then find Tags to pull tagged items from across your notebooks into one searchable view. For quick access to a critical page, right-click it and select Pin to Start. And when your view feels crowded, use the small arrows to collapse sections or page lists for a cleaner, more focused workspace. A few workflow tips will make daily use smoother. Under View, turn on rule lines or grid if you prefer a lined notebook feel. Go to File Options, then Customize Ribbon to put your most used tools front and center. Periodically archive older sections into a reference notebook to keep active notebooks lean. And remember, Control+F searches everything, including text in handwriting and images, so it's a fast way to pull up exactly what you need. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.